Rosilo adabuini kali asa Serekia na iwa unibu ombu waka angina sereni buduongo E bantungu sakure nandomolo.
Warm Pacific greetings. I'm pleased to welcome you all to our Lotala, Latoka and Lambasa campuses for the Vodafone USP Open Day 2023. This year's Open Day theme, Our People, Our Stories, celebrates the diverse achievements and contributions of inspiring USP graduates and staff and showcases their contribution to their families, national, regional and global communities. Our People, Our Stories also amplifies the value of collective service and contribution as reflected in the adage, it takes a village to raise a child. The 2023 Vodafone USP Open Day is a great platform to engage with prospective students and highlight the achievements of graduates whose stories have influenced this year's themes. I can already see the buzz around the campus this morning, and what a choice you've made to visit our beautiful campus, because this is the place where the best people in the Pacific come to get a quality education.
Very wonderful experience I'm having here. I've not visited a lot of places, but wherever I have gone, I've gained a lot of information, and these people are lovely here.
Yes, I feel excited, and I believe also the students that are coming with me from Tilak all the way from Lotoka, they are also excited for coming today during our Open Day.
As the USP Vice Chancellor and President, I want to especially acknowledge the staff and students from 117 secondary schools, some who've journeyed long distances to be with us. I trust that this will be the start of your journey with us, and that one day your story will feature in Our People as you blaze trails of your own. I hope you enjoy this beautiful campus and you can see yourself studying here next year. Vanaka Vakalevu, Dhanyawad, and thank you.